guys, good day and welcome to another weekly update. This should be episode 20. Wow, we have tried a lot. Episode 20. So welcome back, guys. Thank you guys for being here, for watching, and for those of you who have subscribed to the channel. I love you guys so much. Thank you. And for those of you who are yet to subscribe, please take a minute and do that right away. So this is weekly update episode 20. So by the way, I went on a vacation, travel, and the travel I was supposed to rest, but at the end of the day, it involved business as usual. So I did some stuff, and I've like the past weekly update I posted. I show you some ashoke wool I bought and made in Kwara State. There, I travel around, went to Oyo State where they make that as well. So check it out and check the one in Kwara State out. But as you can see on the decks, here are some. There are still some that I ordered that are yet to be finished. When they are done with it, they will have to send that to me. So this week, the shop is still intact the way it's used to be. As you can see, if you can see everywhere clearly, and both the outside as well. So, and we've started working now. So as the work will begin and continue, I will be showing you all the activities we will be doing in the shop. So you guys should stay tuned and watch this to the end of the video. And I have some stuff I'm supposed to be doing, so and I'll be showing you. Let me turn the camera so I can show you and you guys can see it clearly. So if you do enjoy this video, give it a giant thumbs up. Leave in the comment section below anything you think on this particular video after you finish watching it. And if you find this helpful, please share with people you know, it will help them. Thank you guys, and we'll see you as we continue. So guys, talking about work, you see that is the carry board there. I have some work planned out for that and some tutorial video that will be coming up as well. Stay tuned. So on the decks, I have my bag and this side bag. So I've started using this bag and people love it so much. So people have ordered as well. We'll be making some. If I can still make video on that, I'll show you the process of making it, or if I can, after I finish making it, before delivering it to the clients, I will show you guys and see how it looks like. So now here we have a lunchbox, a foreign lunchbox that is already damaged. So I'll be remaking this, and I'll be making a special video on this, on how I make it. Probably if I make this video before the weekly update comes up, you will see the outcome of it. But if I didn't get to make it, I'll still show you the outcome of the video on this particular one. So I will be making I will show all the process on how you can refurbish or maybe repair and make. I'm not repairing to fix this back. I'll be making a new one. Then I'll be only using this frame inside. Then this one I'll be making it separate. So that is it. So on the decks, what we have, when I travel, I bought some stuff like this particular scissors. I bought this. Then I bought some dies for eyelet as well, as you can see. Okay, later on I'll bring it out of the leather so you can see. Then the snap button I was asking you guys again some times ago that if you guys have any idea where I can get it, I later bought it. So these are the snap button. So I bought the dice as well. It is 4 in number, so I'll be showing you that shortly when I bring it out of the leather, out of the package I mean. So these are the ashoke woven I was talking about. As you can see, I have it in different color. So stay tuned. There are more videos that will be coming on using this to make some dope bag and combining it with leather, genuine leather. So I'll be showing you guys. You'll be seeing everything, how it's going to be. So by the way, the decks is still filled up the way it used to fill up, even though I clear it before leaving, but things still go back to the way it used to be. So this frame as well, there's a pause I'll be making. So probably I'm showing this in this particular weekly update. I don't know if I can finish this before the end of this week and show this. If I can't, be expecting it in other videos, and I'll be dedicating a video to it as well. So, and I went to the market when I came back again, because I came back a few days ago but didn't start to vlog. I went to get some of this hook as well to make some particular bag. So I think that is all for now, except when we start work I will be sharing the work we'll be doing in the shop with you guys. So if you are new to this channel, please consider subscribing. When you subscribe, turn on the post notification bell so that you get notified when we upload a new video. For those of you who are our OG here, thank you guys for watching and for being here. Expect dope tutorial that will be coming up next. And this is our board. We have some work we did before leaving on this board, but as you can see, if you watch closely, this is not here. This is a souvenir bag I will be making, so probably it might be included in this week update, and if not, it will be in the next week weekly update. So thank you guys for watching, and we shall continue with the rest of the work. Bye for now. Hello guys, good morning and welcome to another day on the weekly updates. So by the way, yesterday when I finished talking, I did some work. So by the way, the lunchbox I was talking yesterday, this we fix a hand to this now. It's now as a hand. So the next one is for us to make another one, which is going to be holding down this particular frame. So yesterday I didn't do anything much other than if you see the board, if you can remember, if you rewind back and watch this the one I recorded yesterday, the board is a little bit filled up. So most of the illustration you see on the board is not on the book yet. So yesterday, that is what I did. I start recording them, keeping them in the book, putting them. So, and it's a little bit difficult because I have to like sit down and think of the date we make it and put it down, like this man purse, this particular bag, because those are new design we made. So I have to like record them down in the book in case if we are going to make any of that again, or for reference for the students. So that's the reason why we do that. But some of them are still on the board that I need to do. And yesterday what took my time is, and these are all the book I go use. These are my design book, and sometimes if I'm doing new design I use them for reference as well. So I have some that are not here again, that are there, the old ones. So most of my design are here. It's not easy. It's not just one bag we make a lot of bags, so you have to have them for reference. And by the way, something happened. This is my uncle. We did this burial. Okay, no, not burial. We did this marriage a few years ago. I think 2019. But now he's late. May his soul rest in peace. Wale, we love you so much. So that's that. So again, there's something I need to talk about. Yesterday again, what took my time the most is my record keeping. So for like am I even supposed to be showing this to you guys? For like 4 months now, I've not been. If you check this particular date here, this is the last time I did my record keeping. That was 4 months ago, so I didn't do it. So yesterday I have to sit down, do all the expensive, all the sales, and I have to do from this month to this particular month we have now. As you can see, to this particular month we have. So it's not easy. I have to sit down for like 4 months now. I've not been keeping a record, and it's very important in business. When you can't keep track of your expenses and your income, that business is not moving forward. But I was like documenting it in my mind and in my brain. So yesterday I have to put it down in case if I have to like show this to someone or like do some calculation and know what we are making in the year. So bookkeeping, record keeping is very important in business. If you want your business to move forward, or if you want to know if you are making sales or if you are making progress in your business. So that is that. So this morning we shall proceed with some work we'll be doing. So now I just came to the shop. It's very, very early. This is 8 o'clock. I just came to the shop now to open the shop and arrange some things we'll be doing. But later on, I'll be leaving and coming back again to continue the work. So if I leave my apprentice will be here to start some of the work I will plan down for them. So once I come back, we will now proceed with everything. So I hope you guys will be enjoying and staying tuned to watch this to the end of the video. For those who are new to this channel, please consider subscribing. When you subscribe, turn on the post notification bell so that you get notified when we upload a new video. Give this video a giant thumbs up if you do enjoy. If you do not enjoy as well, let us know in the comment section what we are lacking to improve this video. For those of you who have subscribed, we thank you and we appreciate you guys for the subscription. Thank you guys, and we'll see you at the other side as we proceed to make the video. So how are you guys doing? Obviously, I've been busy since morning doing some work that does not concern the shop, but right now I'm trying to film some short video. As you can see, I have some scissors lined up on the decks and some nail painter, so I'm doing some short video. I hope this should be coming up before this weekly update, and if the video does not come up, you should stay tuned to watch. So this is a separate video for this nail painter and for those scissors as well, so stay tuned for that. So, and we still continue with the weekly updates. I hope you guys are enjoying it. Yes guys, welcome to another day again in the weekly update. So when I was filming about days ago, I talked about this particular lunchbox that we fix onto it. As you can see, this is the boat hand. So this particular one, the frame, will be making another one that will look something like that with both the different material I'm going to show you right away. So that's that, but I don't think we'll be including that video in this particular weekly update because it's already Saturday and I have to film this video and finish it, edit it, render it and upload it today. So that is, by the way, that is that. So talking about the material, this is the particular material I will be using for the video, for the not the video, I mean for the lunchbox. So as I was saying, this is the particular material I'll be using for the lunchbox, as you can see, with the lining inside, the warmer. So I'll be mixing it. We'll be using this one and the shiny one as well. The shiny one is at the bottom. Let me try and show you so that you see it. So I'll be using this shiny one. So this will be, I think I'll be dedicating a video to making this, and it will also be included in next week weekly update. So I said it's Saturday already. I'm trying to finish up this particular video so we can upload it. So by the way, I'm very sorry if there is no much content in this video. So what we did yesterday is we make this waste bag, but we are not through with it. We are supposed to make 5 of it, so we just make 2, so there's 3 left on the decks now. So this is the first one I make as sample. I make this, so I asked the apprentice to keep making the rest, but I think she did mistake, so she's not here now. But once she comes, I'm going to ask her to fix it, but I don't know if I'm going to include it in the video and show. So as you can see, this is the one I make myself. So by the way, and if you want to ask for the measurement, this is the measurement for it. I hope you guys will understand. Do I need to explain anything again? So the height of the bag is 5.5, then the wideness is 7.5, then the side is 3 inch for the main bag. So from the sides, the side right, the bottom and the side left is going to be 13, then the zip is going to be 10.5. The rope is going to be 36. So after the rope, then this side, this particular place you are seeing, which is the extension for the rope, is going to, there's no particular measurement, but you can use 3 by 2.5, then you shape it to how you see this, just something like this. And if you can decide not to use that, then the front pocket is what you are seeing. The height is 4 inch by 7.5 inch as well. Then the zip is 9, while the remaining side, bottom and the other side is 11. So that's just it for the waist bag. I hope you guys love it. If you do, please leave in the comment section down below anything you think on this video and any bag you want us to do. For those of you that ask of bag again, I'll try as much as possible, since I'm back at work now, to start making those projects for you guys. It's even possible I can just talk about it in YouTube shorts, but whichever way I'm going to do it, I will let you guys know. I will inform you. So I think this is where I will be ending this weekly update. So guys, stay tuned for next week and more video to come on all this ashoke material and making of some dope bag. So thank you guys for watching. If you are new to the channel, please consider subscribing. When you subscribe, turn on the post notification bell so that you get notified when we upload a new video. Give this particular video a giant thumbs up. Share this with people you know it will be of interest to them. Please, for those of you who are watching without subscribing, please, it costs you nothing to subscribe. Thank you, as you just click the subscribe button, and we'll see you in the next one. Thank you guys for watching. Bye for now.